To the time when we talk about DeepSeek, that was only 2 months ago. Between then and now, that's just how fast the space is evolving in the AI landscape. I wouldn't say DeepSeek is an example of two economy decoupling or two technology ecosystem decoupling. Actually, I think what we question to ourselves and to the broader market is that 3 to 5 years from now, would there be another DeepSeek that is coming from China and also that's open source? I think a lot of people in the West kind of underestimate, or kind of frankly, kind of a little bit surprised that DeepSeek, one, coming from a Chinese company, and two, is not a closed source platform. It's not closed source software. It's open source. So as two countries start decouples further, then the collaboration we expect will, this type of open source collaboration will definitely reduce. That's going to slow down the overall progress of AI development. But it's not a question of when. It's actually, it's not a question of if, but it's a question of when. It might slow down for 1 or 2 years, but we're moving towards what we call the AGI, in the next few years. And then the other thing is that right now, it would project into 3 to 5 years. When we think about investing, right now it's very similar to two internet systems that US and China is building, which is not strange to people investing in tech. That's similar to the internet age when China has Alibaba and US have Amazon, and then it's similar with mobile internet as well. And I think with AI, we definitely prefer a collaboration over isolation. But if that's where the trend is going, that's what we understand as implication for investors. But one thing I think most people kind of underestimate is how much collaboration at the grassroots level, at the researcher level, people are still collaborating on research projects, despite, doesn't matter where you are. So if you go to GitHub, if you go to Hugging Face, you will see a lot of very smart, intelligent communications and collaborations within the ground level researchers. And that's something that we're pretty optimistic about.